Let's answer this reduction potential problem from ACS-NCO. Given the standard reduction potentials in basic solution, what's the reduction potential of the MnO42 minus MnO2 couple? Shown here is a Latimer diagram. And for Latimer diagram, it lines up species from highest to lowest oxidation state with the reduction potential for each step written above the arrow connecting them. So when you skip a step in a Latimer diagram, the reduction potentials don't just add. So they average weighted by electron transferred. So the equation we can use is shown here. E3 equals N1E1 plus N2E2 all over N1 plus N2. Before we solve, let's write first the oxidation number of Mn in each species to determine the number of electrons transferred per step. So for MnO4 minus, it's plus 7. MnO4 2 minus, it's plus 6. And for MnO2, it's plus 4. MnO4 minus to MnO4 2 minus, this is a 1 electron step, while E0 is 0.543 volts for this step. For MnO4 2 minus to MnO2, this is a 2 electron step since we have plus 6 to plus 4 oxidation number, and E0 is unknown. And lastly, for MnO4 minus straight to MnO2, we have 3 electrons in total, and E0 is 0.595 volts for this step. So using the equation, E3 is 0.595 volts. This is the reduction potential, or E0, for MnO4 minus to MnO2, equals 1 times 0.543 volts plus 2 times E2. So this is our unknown, all over 3, since we have 3 electrons involved. Solving for E2, that's equal to 0.621 volts, and therefore the correct answer is letter C.